pindot-pindot lang daw, 6 digits agad. Hoy, walang ganun. Everyone, I would like to share something that I think a lot of people get wrong about being a virtual assistant, freelancer, or work from home. Yung idea na you can instantly earn 6 digits pag naging virtual assistant ka or freelancer. I won't say it's impossible kasi meron naman mga first-timer na freelancer na naka-earn agad ng 6 digits sa first client nila. Most of us, it takes a lot of time, effort, at of hard work. Ang dami talaga namin pinagdaanan bago ka pa maka-earn ng 6 digits sa isang client. Hindi siya yung pindot-pindot ka lang na boom, 6 digits agad. And many freelancers juggle multiple clients just to reach that income. So instead of aiming for an instant 6-digit income, focus on building your skill set. Aralin mo yung gusto mo na niche, manood ka ng mga videos, ng mga tutorials. So before you jump into freelancing or work from home, lagi itong sinasabi ng karamihan, know your biggest why. Be patient, work hard, and success will follow. Keep learning and huwag kang tumigil pag-aaral hanggat makuha mo yung perfect na niche na para. And of course, your time will come.